All right, this is Challenge Lab 6.8.5, Formatting Pictures and Other Media. With this one, you're going to learn about adding pictures to your slides, adjusting, aligning, and formatting them to suit your purpose. So on slide 2, it's asking us to apply a picture border color of our choice. So I'm going to select this, and we're going to select picture border here, and it doesn't matter what color. On slide 2, we are deleting the image from the right of the slide, so I'm going to delete that. And we're going to use the content placeholder to insert the video, the Greek video MP4, which is this one here from the file folder. On slide 6, we are going to use the content placeholder to insert the Aristotle image. So we're going to go, oops, not that one, use this one on the left. We're going to find the Aristotle image from the pictures folder. On slide 4, we're going to use the ribbon to insert the Play-Doh MP3 audio file. So we're going to go insert, and here's our audio file. I'm going to go to my PC. It should be on the downloads folder. So we're going to come in here to downloads. There is the Play-Doh MP3 file. Task 6 has us on slide 7. And with that one, we're going to modify the video playback options to start automatically. So we're going to come up here to playback, and we want to select automatically. And we also want to select play full screen. On slide 7 again, we're going to use the corrections option on the video format tab, which is up here. And we're going to adjust the brightness and contrast of the video. So over here, we have our corrections, brightness and contrast to the setting of your choice. Task 4 has us on slide 6. We're going to add the following hyperlink to the words modern science. So that's right here. So we're going to select modern, and I'm using my shift and my right arrow key to select the rest. And I'm going to right click on this, and I am adding a hyperlink, and our hyperlink is going to be http://www.aristotlescience.com, and click OK. Task 3 has us on slide 2. We're going to use the crop option to remove Aristotle from the right side of the image. So go to your format picture, use crop, and I'm going to click right here and drag that over, and it removes him from the picture. Last one on slide 4, we're going to use the content placeholder option, select the online pictures, search for an online image of a tree, and we're going to select that one, and we're going to insert it. Align the top of the image with the top of the table. So we're going to select both, go to Align Top, and complete. Oh, one more task. I guess I miscounted. On slide 2, we're going to apply picture style of your choice to the Aristotle picture. So I'm going to select that one and select OK.